Today we are in Philadelphia. We're right off Broad Street from our hotel. Awesome view of City Hall behind us. Broad Street Bullies. Stay tuned as we go to the Wells Fargo Center. Tap to pay. All right, so we're down here at the Wells Fargo complex. And if you look around, you can see Citizens Bank Arena where the Phillies play, the Eagles at Lincoln Financial Field. Then you got the 76ers and the Flyers at the Wells Fargo Center. Mixed in all between that is Xfinity Live, giant bar. We're 3 miles from downtown Philly, right off the Broad Street line. Tonight, the Flyers are going to be playing the Red Wings. Pride Night's going on. Stadium's all lit up. Usually it'll be orange or blue for the 76ers. Pretty cool that they can light up the whole stadium. However, that stadium isn't going to be there much longer. 5 years, Flyers are going to have a new stadium. It's still going to be here in the sports complex, so this video is still going to be relevant. But come check out the Wells Fargo Center while it's still here.
much time and so little to do. Strike that. Reverse it. This way, please.
Cheers. We made it into the Wells Fargo Center. Got my beer. So everybody keeps stopping me, asking me where I got it from. A lot of heads turning. Section 106, $32. All right.
$10 chances for $25, 250 chances for $50 plus.
I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gap.
Update. The Flyers, Wells Fargo Center. They got cup holders. Big plus. Upgraded, cushiony seats. He's got his crappy fry.
That's our goal.
They got to pick them, the Bruins, the Penguins, always the Penguins.
Take some more, and as always, anywhere, anytime at shop.wsc.
Wrapping up the Wells Fargo Center. Awesome game. OT winner. Since we've been here in 2019, Wells Fargo Center upgraded the seats. They upgraded the scoreboard, best scoreboard in hockey. We got the Chaos Corner upgrade. Wells Fargo Center is all upgraded. Not many Red Wing fans here today. There's a big stigma about Philly having terrible fans. Those are Eagle fans, not Fire fans. Thanks for watching another one.
A fan wearing a backward-facing Eagles hat shots on the other Maple Leafs fan's ear. Moments after the punches were thrown, someone who appeared to be part of stadium.
Another squirt, and here comes a fan from the second row, Chris Falcone. Down he goes, glass breaks, and now we have a fracas. Domi and the fan going at it.